Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have an Asko brand washing machine and it's giving you an E10 error and you're wondering what is this error and how do I get rid of it so I can get it working again. And so what this is this is a water level sensor error. So the washing machine has a sensor that tells it how much water is in it so that it knows when it has enough water. And it's something in this machine thinks that there's a problem with that sensor. And so this problem can really be anywhere between the sensor, it can be the sensor itself, any of the wiring going to the sensor, all the way to the control board. So this is not something that's simple and localized in one single place. You're probably going to have a technician out to look at it, because it can be the sensor itself, it can be some of the wiring that's loose, or it can be the control board itself that needs to be replaced. But one thing you should do when you have these kind of electronic sensor errors is before you call anybody, you should always do a hard restart on your washing machine. So you're just going to turn it off and disconnect it from power and leave it disconnected from power for a full minute. After that minute is up, then you can restore power and turn it on and try to do a cycle and see if that error doesn't come back. And hopefully it won't. Hopefully it was just like an electronic anomaly. And at that point, if it does, then you can call someone to come take a look at your washing machine. So I hope this helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.